I'm going to stretch a word. When I stretch the word, that means I'm going to say each sound, each letter sound to make a word. I'm going to stretch, and then you're going to stretch. Put your hands in your lap. I'm going to stretch, and then you're going to stretch. I'm going to stretch the word cup. Everyone look at me. Let me say it, and then you're going to say it. Cup. Let me see it. This time when I do it, when I put my hand like this, that means you're going to do it. I'm going to say race. Watch me, and then when I do this, you're going to do it. Race. Now you do it.
Race.
Ouch. Let's do rack.
Rack.
Good, you can do it with me. Let's do float. Go. Let's do drip. Let's do tray. Now look at tray. Look at this word tray. Tray. Say it. That A is long. That A is what? Long. Let's do brace. Do brace. Go. Let's go faster. Let's do glitch. Go. Let's do cleanest. Let's do mama. Let's do man. Let's do theme. And what's the blend in theme? What is it? Everyone say theme. Okay, let's do box. Blur. Put your hands in your lap. Give yourself a hand.